Rising customer expectations now define the pace of innovation. Consumers demand immediate, personalized experiences that work flawlessly across devices. What once felt like premium service, instant recommendations, same-day fulfillment, or proactive notifications has become standard expectation. Meeting this demand requires integrated data, responsive design, and automated back-end systems. A single delay or inconsistency can erode trust. Cloud technologies enable this responsiveness, providing real-time analytics and scalable infrastructure. Yet, speed alone is not enough. Organizations must ensure that every new capability deepens customer satisfaction without compromising reliability or privacy. Customer experience is now the true currency of digital competition. Competition has compressed time-to-market windows across every sector. Startups can disrupt established players by launching features in days rather than quarters. This acceleration forces incumbents to rethink release cycles and decision-making layers. The cloud enables this agility through automated deployment pipelines and flexible compute resources. However, faster development introduces coordination challenges. Security reviews, compliance checks, and testing must keep pace. Businesses that master rapid yet disciplined delivery gain a powerful advantage. They learn from customers faster than rivals can copy. In digital transformation, time itself becomes both opportunity and risk, rewarding those who manage it intentionally. Data growth stands out as both driver and burden. Every organization now generates vast volumes of operational, transactional, and behavioral data. The challenge is no longer collection, but interpretation. Modern analytics platforms, particularly cloud-based ones, allow this data to fuel decisions at every level. Machine learning models detect trends invisible to manual review, transforming raw information into strategic foresight. A logistics company can optimize routes in real time. A hospital can identify care gaps before they become crises. But without governance, data turns from asset to liability, creating security exposure, storage waste, and analytic noise. Effective transformation makes data meaningful, not merely abundant. Workforce enablement and skills modernization have become essential to sustain digital change. Technology only delivers value when people know how to use it effectively. Cloud platforms simplify tools, but they also introduce new learning curves: data literacy, automation logic, and security awareness. Training programs and certifications help bridge this gap, creating a workforce that can adapt to evolving systems. Empowered employees drive transformation forward by identifying opportunities and experimenting confidently within guardrails. Neglecting skills development leaves expensive tools underused and transformation momentum stalled. People, not platforms, determine the pace and success of modernization. Regulatory change continues to reshape the transformation landscape. Industries face new requirements around data privacy, auditability, and resilience. Frameworks like the General Data Protection Regulation and evolving cybersecurity mandates force organizations to integrate compliance into design, not treat it as an afterthought. Cloud platforms assist with built-in controls and audit logging, but accountability remains with the business. Maintaining audit readiness becomes an ongoing activity rather than a periodic scramble. Successful transformation treats compliance as an enabler of trust, a signal to customers and regulators that innovation and integrity can coexist within the same strategy. Distributed work has redefined secure access as a foundational capability. Remote and hybrid teams require consistent performance and protection regardless of location. Traditional perimeter defenses no longer apply. Identity, device posture, and encryption now form the new perimeter. Zero Trust architectures, supported by cloud identity and access management, allow secure connections without relying on physical boundaries. Employees can collaborate globally without exposing systems to unnecessary risk. The shift toward distributed work underscores that digital transformation is as much about rethinking organizational design as it is about technology adoption. Work happens everywhere, so security must as well. Yet with every advance come new risks. Security gaps often appear during transitions, when systems overlap, data migrates, or controls lag behind deployment speed. Attackers exploit these windows of change. Misconfigurations, forgotten credentials, or rushed integrations can expose sensitive data. Organizations must double down on threat modeling, access governance, and continuous monitoring during transformation phases. Building security into the transformation process prevents costly setbacks later. The key is awareness. Innovation and protection are not competing goals but complementary practices when managed with discipline and foresight. Cost overruns represent another common risk. Without financial guardrails, variable cloud billing can exceed expectations quickly. Teams eager to experiment may leave resources running or duplicate services unintentionally. FinOps disciplines help balance agility with accountability, using budgeting tools and alerts to align spending with value creation. Treating cost management as part of architecture, not as afterthought, ensures transformation remains sustainable. When teams see cost as a design parameter, they build efficiency into every decision. Proper financial governance transforms what could be a liability into an engine of continuous improvement. Vendor dependence and portability present subtler risks. Deep integration with a single provider can simplify deployment but reduce negotiation leverage later. Proprietary tools may deliver efficiency initially, yet create friction if business direction changes. Mitigation involves designing for portability, using open standards, containers, and multi-environment orchestration. This approach preserves flexibility and reduces exit costs. Vendor relationships work best when rooted in transparency and mutual value rather than dependence. True digital maturity includes the ability to adapt vendors as easily as workloads, ensuring that partnerships remain chosen, not imposed. Governance provides the structure that keeps transformation aligned with purpose. Metrics define progress. Uptime, customer satisfaction, adoption rate, and financial return all serve as checkpoints. Governance committees coordinate security, finance, and project management to maintain balance between experimentation and accountability. Without this oversight, transformation drifts into chaos or stagnation. Strong governance does not slow innovation, it channels it. By setting measurable objectives and monitoring them continuously, organizations transform responsibly, ensuring that every new initiative strengthens both trust and performance over time. Digital transformation accelerates organizations toward their future, but unmanaged speed can magnify existing weaknesses. Success lies in equilibrium, advancing quickly while staying anchored in control. When businesses pair urgency with structured governance, modernization becomes durable rather than disruptive. The digital era rewards adaptability, yet it also tests discipline. Those who manage both forces, pursuing innovation boldly and safeguarding it wisely, turn transformation from a buzzword into a sustainable, measurable source of advantage. Thanks for listening. For more audio courses, daily newsletters, and more, please visit DailyCyber.News.